TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Monday morning, coming into 2021. Hope everyone had a great New Year's Eve weekend. Back to it, and we get the markets. We came in with positive territory, folks, but quite a different story coming into the opening bell. The futures in the S&P make it to a high at about 5 a.m. of 37.73. We're solid 30 points off that level. You see the acceleration beginning at about 9:10 a.m. Really picks up at about 9:25 and 9:30. We trade from 37.60. We're approaching the lows of about 37.40 right now. All things considered, folks, when you put it on a daily, though, man, quite a year we had in 2020. The line I've got on this chart was the break even for 2020. You see early on in the year, acting as support, we cascade through that level to the lows of March of 21.74, and twice we bounce right off the break-even line for 2020, coming into 2021, off about 9 points right now, but a quite acceleration as we pick up trading to lower prices. Jumping over to the VIX real quick, you're seeing an elevation, as you may expect. In my newsletter this morning, before the market opened, I said, hey, the VIX was elevated throughout the entire session pre-market. You had the S&Ps up 20 points almost, and you had the VIX elevated, something to always keep your eye on, folks. The VIX should not be elevating as you have the market trading higher. We open, and of course, the market trades lower. The VIX now over 24. Commodities, quite the volatile session this morning as well. How about crude? Within 17 pennies of $50. You then trade down to 48.20. You see the volume pick up this morning. We're currently trading at 48.70. Gold having quite a day to kick off 2021. We're up $53 at $19.48 right now. Gold accelerating from about $1,900, where we ended last year throughout the entire overnight session. Silver's up $1.31 at $27.72. And notes and bonds so far this morning, a little bit of a lower price, higher yield. You got the 10-year yield right now. We're sitting at about 0.93%. The 10-year is negative 3 ticks at 137.31, and the 30-year is negative 17 ticks at 172.21. We'll kick it off with Tesla. Why not, folks? How about up 4.5% to kick off 2021? Couldn't get it out without laughter, but hey, they delivered almost 500,000 vehicles for 2020. Tesla, it just doesn't stop. Up $31 at $737. And how about Bitcoin at $32,495? Action everywhere, folks. Stay tuned. Live programming all day at TFNN. Right back.